Hello, all you beautiful people. How you doing here today? This is Love Attempters for the Gaming Dynasty channel, and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi. Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out. This one is Cybersecurity and Cyber Warfare by Packt. It is a book bundle. So the art, strategy, and science of system defense. Learn to safeguard your IT systems and protect your organization from threats with this bundle of guides from Packt. Discover tried and true tactics in ebooks like cybersecurity, attack and defense strategies, and practical threat intelligence and data-driven threat hunting. Equip yourself with defense techniques and tools. Find out how to test your systems and more, and support International Medical Corps in the process. These books are in PDF, EPUB, and MOBI files, so that way you can use them across all your different devices. And in case you're new here to Humble Bundles, that's right, you heard it. Humble Bundle supports a charity with every bundle. So this one is the International Medical Corps, and you can read a little bit more about it here. But you can actually adjust your donation to give charity a little bit more. Now, I do have this lava here. That is because I am a Humble Bundle partner. It helps me remind you to tell you. Remind me to tell you. Or not remind you. Remind me to tell you. I do have an affiliate link down below. However, you don't ever have to use that. You can go straight to humblebundle.com to purchase any of your bundles. Alright, so then you can actually click the extra to charity. But my favorite one is go to custom amount, because here is where it really gets good. You can actually adjust it to whatever you like. If you want to give like an equal amount or whatever, you can actually do that. All right, so let's take a look and see what all is in the bundles. Also, before I start, I want to let you know that Packt also has a subscription-based program. It's $12.99 a month after a free trial. But I'm a big believer in if you can purchase something and have it forever, I think that's always better than having a subscription-based program, because you never know what's going to happen. You may not be able to pay it 1 month or something, and that way you always have it forever. All right, so first of all, we have the first tier is just $1, and you get 3 books with this. You can click on each one of these. I will only show you this with the first one, but you can click on each one, get a little PDF preview, see what the book's a little bit more like, and it'll tell you which format this one is available in. So this one's PDF and EPUB, and read a little bit more about it here. You can also click here and go to the publisher's website and see how much the books are. So for instance, this one is $10, but it's normally $20.99. So because all these books actually are on sale, and because of that, I'm giving you both prices, what it would be if you purchased them on sale currently and what the normal prices would be. All right, so Cyber Warfare, Truth, Tactics, and Strategies. Again, it's normally $20.99, but it's on sale for $10. In my calculations, I will tell you the $10 price of all these, the sale price. So with this one, you define and determine a cyber defense strategy based on current and past real-life examples. Understand how future technologies will impact cyber warfare campaigns and society, and future-ready yourself and your business against any cyber threat. Next one we have is Cybersecurity Career Master Plan. This one is normally $23.99, but on sale for $10. And you will learn how to follow your desired career path that results in a well-paid, rewarding job in cybersecurity. Explore expert tips relating to career growth and certificate options. Access information content from a panel of experienced cybersecurity experts. Then we have the malware analysis techniques. This one is normally $34.99, but is on sale for $10. And you investigate, detect, and respond to various types of malware threat. Understand how to use what you've learned as an analyst to produce actionable IOCs and reporting. Explore complete solutions, detailed walkthroughs, and case studies of real-world malware samples. That is it for tier 1, so that brings our total to $30 that you're just going to pay $1 if you choose this tier. Next tier we have is $10, and it is for 8 total items, which of course includes the 3 from before. So first off, we have Learn Wireshark, Fundamentals of Wireshark. This one's normally $27.99, but again on sale for $10. This one, you troubleshoot basic to advanced network problems using packet analysis. Analyze common protocols and identify latency issues with Wireshark. Explore ways to examine captures to recognize unusual traffic and possible network attacks. Next, we have Mastering Windows Security and Hardening. This is normally $31.99, but on sale for $10. For this one, you protect your device using a zero-trust approach and advanced security techniques. Implement efficient security measures using Microsoft Intune, Configure Manager, and Azure solutions. Understand how to create cyber threat defense solutions effectively. Next, we have Microsoft 365 Security Administration, MS500 Exam Guide. Again, these are the guides, these are not the exams themselves. So this one is normally $31.99, but on sale for $10. Get the right guidance and discover techniques to improve the effectiveness of your studying and prepare for the exam. Explore a wide variety of strategies for security and compliance. Gain knowledge that can be applied in real-world solutions. Next up, we have Mastering Palo Alto Networks. It's normally $31.99, but is on sale for $10. So this one, understanding how to optimally use PAN-OS features. Build firewall solutions to safeguard local, cloud, and mobile networks, and protect your infrastructures and users by implementing robust threat prevention solutions. Next, we have Microsoft Azure Security Technologies Certification and Beyond. This is normally $35.99 and is on sale for $10. So master AZ500 exam objectives and learn real-world Azure security strategies. Develop practical skills to protect your organization from constantly evolving security threats. Effectively manage security governances, policies, and operations in Azure. And that is it for this tier, the last new one. So that makes our total so far $80. Then we have the top tier, which is $18, and you will get a total of 24 different books, including the previous ones from before. So first we have Threat Hunting with Elastic Stack. It's normally $39.99 and is on sale for $10. Get started with Elastic Security configuration and features. Leverage Elastic Stack features to provide optimal protection against threats. Discover tips, tricks, and best practices to enhance the security of your environment. Next, we have Practical Hardware Pen Testing. It is normally $39.99 and on sale for $10. Learn various pen testing tools and techniques to attack and secure your hardware infrastructure. Find the glitches in your hardware that can be possibly entry points for attacks. Discover best practices for securely designing products. Next up, we have Antivirus Bypass Techniques. This is normally $27.99 on sale for $10. Gain a clear understanding of the security landscape and research approach by bypass antivirus software. Become well-versed with practical techniques to bypass antivirus solutions and discover best practices to develop robust antivirus solutions. Next up, we have Privilege Escalation Techniques. It is normally $39.99 on sale for $10. This one, you discover a range of techniques to escalate privileges on Windows and Linux systems. Understand the key differences between Windows and Linux privilege escalation, and explore unique exploration challenges in each chapter provided in the form of pre-built VMs. Next up, we have the Pen Testing Industrial Control System. This is normally $35.99 on sale for $10. Become well versed with offensive ways of defending your industrial control systems. Learn about industrial network protocols, threat hunting, active direct compromises, SQL injections, and much more. Build offensive and defensive skills to combat industrial cyber threats. Next, we have Cybersecurity Attack and Defense Strategy. This is a second edition. It's normally $27.99 on sale for $10. Covers the latest security threats and defense strategies for 2020. Introduces techniques and skill sets required to conduct threat hunting and deal with a system breach. Provides new information on cloud security posture management, Microsoft Azure threat protection, zero trust network strategies, nation-state attacks, and use of Azure Sentinel as a cloud-based SIEM for logging and investigating, and much more. Next up, we have Mastering Kali Linux for Advanced Penetration Testing. This is a 4th edition. It is normally $34.99 on sale for $10. Employ advanced pen testing techniques with Kali Linux to build high security systems. Get to grips with various stealth techniques to remain undetected and defeat the latest defenses and follow proven approaches. Select and configure the most effective tools from Kali Linux to test network security and prepare your business against malicious threats and save cost. Next, we have Penetration Testing Azure for Ethical Hackers. It is normally $35.99 on sale for $10. Understand the different Azure attack techniques and methodologies used by hackers. Find out how you can ensure end-to-end cybersecurity and the Azure ecosystem. Discover various tools and techniques to perform successful penetration tests on your Azure infrastructure. Next, we have the Mastering Defense Security. It is normally $39.99 on sale for $10. Get a hold of the best defensive security strategies and tools. Develop a defensive security system at an enterprise level. Get hands-on with advanced cybersecurity threat detection, including XSS, SQL injections, brute force web applications, and more. Next up, we have the Adversarial Trade Crafting in Cybersecurity. This is normally $35.99 on sale for $10. Gain an advantage against live hackers in a competition or real computing environment. Understand advanced red team and blue team techniques with code examples. Learn to battle in short-term memory, whether remaining unseen for the red teams or monitoring attackers' traffic, the blue teams. Next, we have Mastering Microsoft's Endpoint Manager. This is normally $39.99 on sale for $10. Learn everything you need to know about deploying and managing Windows on physical and cloud PCs. Simplify remote working for cloud-managed PCs via Service Windows 365. Benefit from the author's experience of managing physical endpoints and traditional virtual desktop infrastructures, or VDIs. Next, we have Industrial Cyber Security. Now, this one is a 2nd edition, but it is also free on their website. So if you click here, you can see you can actually get this one absolutely for free just by creating an account. So I did not include a price on this one because you can get it for free, so I'm not going to include a price for that. Learn about endpoint protection such as anti-malware implications, updating, monitoring, and sanitizing user workloads and mobile devices, filled with practical examples to help you secure critical infrastructure systems efficiently. A step-by-step guide that will teach you the techniques and methodologies of building robust infrastructure systems. Next, we have Practical Threat Intelligence and Data-Driven Threat Hunting. This is normally $20.99 on sale for $10. Set up an environment to centralize all data in Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, or ELK, server that enables threat hunting. Carry out automatic hunts to start, carry out atomic hunts to start the threat hunting process and understand the environment. Perform advanced hunting using MITRE, attack evals, emulations, and Mordor datasets. Next, we have the Ultimate Kali Linux book. This is a second edition. It is normally $39.99 on sale for $10. Learn to compromise enterprise networks with Kali Linux. Gain comprehensive insights into security concepts using advanced real-life hacker techniques. Use Kali Linux in the same way ethical hackers and penetration testers do to gain control of your environment. Next, we have Keycloak, Identify and Access Management for Modern Applications. This one is normally $35.99 on sale for $10. Keycloak, helping you get started with using it and securing your applications, complete with hands-on tutorials, best practices, and self-assessment questions. This easy-to-follow guide will show you how to secure a sample application and then move on to securing different application types. As you progress, you will understand how to configure and manage Keycloak, as well as how to leverage some of its more advanced capabilities. Finally, you'll gain insights into securely using Keycloak in production. By the end of this book, you will have learned how to install and manage Keycloak, as well as how to secure new and existing applications. The last new one we have for this bundle is CompTIA Security Plus SYO-601 Certification Guide. This is a second edition. It is normally $34.99 and on sale for $10. This one you learn cryptography and various cryptography algorithms for real-world implementations. Discover security policies, plans, and procedures to protect your security infrastructure. Written by Ian Neal, one of the world's top CompTIA Security Plus trainers. So definitely one that you want. Again, these are not their certificates themselves, but these will help you be able to master your certificates when you do go to take those. All right, so total sale price for the whole bundle is $230. But it would normally be $770.77, but it's still different than Humble's evaluation of $814. Again, that one book was free, but I don't know how they got an evaluation for it when it's a free book. So I would say take my evaluation. Even if you do the $230 sale price currently, it's still a great deal for only $18. I don't know about you. I would rather pay $18 than $230 any day. All right. That is it for this bundle. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave those down below. I will answer anything and everything that I can. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come out. And of course, if you enjoy these types of videos, definitely hit that thumbs up, because that really lets YouTube know that you appreciate it and helps out our channel. So thank you. All right, that is it for me today. So until next time, this is Love Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye.